Hello everyone. Today in the first class of language lab, let us learn the importance of reading. Reading is a complex mental task. Reading makes you utilize your brain, which in turn improves concentration, improves ability to pay attention, improves ability to focus for longer periods of time. Did you know Albert Einstein? He suffered from a reading disorder and had a really hard time at school. He never gave up and later became an outrageously successful inventor. Reading improves discipline and memory. Making time for books every day improves discipline and is shown to be personally rewarding over time. Reading helps you to use and even improve your memory by remembering details, characters, plots, and many more. Did you know Walt Disney? He had a really hard time with reading and suffered from dyslexia. He went on to become one of the most influential and innovative people in the entertainment field as we know it. Number 3, reading builds self esteem. Reading more expands the amount of knowledge you have. More knowledge leads to higher confidence. Higher confidence boosts your self esteem. Helen Keller. Helen Keller was deaf and blind. She was the first deaf and blind person to attend and graduate college. She also wrote and published over 12 books. Number 4. Reading improves creativity. Reading about new things challenges your brain to think in a new way. Reading helps to develop the creative side of the brain by exposing it to unique or unfamiliar ideas. Reading improves vocabulary. Reading challenging books will expose you to many new words. With the help of a dictionary and context clues, you will be able to build your vocabulary in no time. Reading increases imagination. Reading strengthens and improves imagination by putting the brain in new situations. Our brain processes descriptions by putting them into mental process. This also reduces boredom and enhances creativity. Reading broadens your horizons. Reading gives you an insight into diversity and other cultures. It teaches you about people, places, and events outside of your own experiences. It teaches you about different beliefs and ways of life that may be new. Reading helps develop a strong sense of character. Reading helps us to develop empathy by allowing us to feel what our characters feel and put ourselves in someone else's shoes. It also builds a strong sense of compassion. Reading establishes a better understanding of human culture. Reading improves school performance. It doesn't just improve English language, arts, or even history. Avid readers got better grades across all subjects, even maths. Avid readers are also known to get better grades throughout middle, high school, and college. Finally, words are our everyday tool. You speak thousands of words every day. Many people write something every day. Avid readers find it easier to communicate because of their expanded vocabularies and practice of vocabularies through reading. That's all for today. In the next class, we'll be reading something and doing some kind of an exercise. Bye bye, students.